Smell makers have been hiding it from you all this time. If you use the smell of these jars at home and you run out of product, don't throw this jar away. If you have the habit of doing it, you are making a serious mistake that is making you lose money. This device that you see here, most people buy it to smell their home, but when the aroma runs out, end up throwing it away and buying another one. This becomes a very exhausting and inefficient consumption habit, since only one jar of these costs a lot and its duration tends to be just a couple of days. After you know this, you will never buy another smell maker of these again. So stay until the end, since today I will show you a family secret to reuse these smell makers. You a lot and leaving it much better. In addition to leaving your house very scented, it will also take away the mosquitoes once and for. The first thing you should do is uncover this jar. You will notice that it comes out quite easily. Next, you are going to wash the jar very well with plenty of water to remove the remaining remains. The other product. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special in the next one. Today's greeting is for Hernan Flores from Bolivia. Then you will do the same with the lid of the jar. When you finish doing this, dry very well with a cloth. If you like, you can also take it to the sun. Then you will need 70 or 40% liquid alcohol. We take a container and add 4 tablespoons. Then add a tablespoon of water. You will also need smell nails, since these have a substance called ethanol, which due to its properties is detested by mosquitoes. You should add about 10 units of smell nails. Next, you will need to use fabric softener that you normally use to wash. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons. If you don't have a softener, you can also use baby oil or any other scent essence. Mix everything until it is completely integrated. Friends, this will give a rich and long-lasting smell to your home. We are going to pour the mixture into the small empty jars that you had saved. Now you just have to join the jar with the support and use it. Remembering that this mixture is very powerful both to give a good aroma to your home and, at the time, to repel mosquitoes. Finally, we place it anywhere in the house. You can always make this mixture when the smell is over, since it has a very pleasant aroma.